Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we finished up to question number 84. Coming to question number 85, the area enclosed by the curve y is equal to root x and y x equal to minus root y and the circle x square plus y square equal to 2 and above the x-axis we need to find here. Now circle center is clearly 0 comma 0, radius is root 2 because root 2 whole square we can write. These two are curves, we need to draw the graph. How to draw the graph? Let's check once. First I will draw the circle. Circle center is, if you take 1 here, here minus 1, here also 1, here also 1. Now root 2 means what? 1.414, so approximately will come here. This is clearly root 2. 2 later will be there value. The curves whatever, if y is equal to root x we need to draw. Y is equal to root x. Now should not take negative side, only have to take positive values. X value 0, y also 0 will come. X value 1, y also 1. Okay, here 1 comma 1, if for example, if you substitute this root x in this equation, for example I have taken this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. If you solve, because we'll get the point of intersection, maybe 1 comma 1 we'll see once, which point you'll get. Now by solving, substitute y equal to root x in equation 3. In the place of y substitute x, root x whole square, that is x, send this to this side, minus 2 equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. X common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2. Now x plus 2 common, remaining x minus 1. Here x value either 1 or minus 2. But minus 2 is not required because they are asking only in above x axis. Positive side we can take, negative value is not required here. So x equal to 1 means from first equation y equal to root 1 is 1. That's why exactly the point of intersection we will get here. At this point both are intersecting. This is 1 comma 1 point. This is a curve is there. This is which one? Y is equal to root x. Next, coming to next curve, x equal to minus root y. Now x value, y value 0, if you take 0 will come. Y value for example 1 if you take. 1 means what you will get? For example y value 1. Y value 1 means x value minus 1. So minus 1 means here will come. Okay. Next, only above the x-axis they are asking. In this case, this is a curve you will get. Curve what here? X equal to minus root y. Rotations wise. They are asking only above x-axis only na. Now above x-axis means here rotations you will see from minus 1 to 0. Now directly from minus 1 to 1 you can take, but it is not possible here in this case because this is the reason between these all terms including x-axis they are asking. Here this is the reason we need to find here, complete region. Here this point is, we know clearly, this is minus 1 comma 1. Without solving only you can verify. Y value 1 means x value minus, this is x equal to minus root y curve. Now from minus 1 to plus 1, upper curve clearly circle, correctly is the curve. But when removing lower curves, minus 1 to 0 this curve is present. And from 0 to 1 another curve is present. Okay. Now I need to convert this one in completely in terms of x. From first equation no problem, y is equal to root x. From second, x equal to minus root y, squaring on both sides means what you will get? X square equal to y. Root negative whole square positive. So x square equal to y you will get by squaring on both sides. From third equation, y square find out, that is 2 minus x square. Y is equal to root of 2 minus x square. Now to find the area, the required area is from minus 1 to 1, upper curve clearly only single curve, that is circle. So directly I am writing minus 1 to 1, circle curve what? Root of 2 minus x square dx. But we need to subtract lower curves. But lower curves are from minus 1 to 0, we have this second equation. That's why integral minus 1 to 0, what is the second equation we got in terms of x? That is x square dx. But it is a condition wise, negative side is the condition, you can take a value, no problem. Minus integral 0 to 1. Now 0 to 1, what curve we are taking here? First curve, that is root x dx. It is in the form of integral root of a square minus x square. Root 2 whole square, a means x by 2 into root of a square, 2 only, plus a square. A square means 2 by 2. Sin inverse of x by root 2 will get minus 1 to plus 1. Next, here x cube by 3 minus 1 to 0 minus root x integration is x power 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 means x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 square, that is 1, 2 by 2, 1, we need to take sin inverse of 1 by root 2, minus lower limit, minus 1 by 2, 2 minus 1 whole square, 1 only, 2 minus 1, 1, plus 2 by 2, 1, sin inverse of minus 1 by root 2. That's the first term. Second term, 0 by anything 0, minus 1 whole cube is minus, that's why minus of minus plus 1 by 3. Minus of 2 by 3 will reverse 3 by 2 value. Upper limit substitute 1 for anything 1 minus 0. Now 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 1 by root 2. At what angle? Pi by 4. Minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Minus into plus minus. Sin inverse of minus 1 by root 2, what you will get? Minus pi by 4. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 is minus 2 by 3. Now minus of minus plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is pi by 2. Next 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. Here minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 by 3, cancel. So finally pi by 2 plus 1 minus 1. Now answer what you will get? Pi by 2 is the answer, that is option D is the correct one. So next question number 86. The area of the region whose boundaries are defined by a y equal to 2 cos x and y equal to 3 tan x on the y axis. That is the reason they are asking. That reason we need to find here. Now we need to draw the graphs first, then you can understand which reason we need to find. Everything graph is required maximum questions. On x axis I am taking angle here. This is minus pi by 2. Why I am taking tan is not defined at this angle, that's why this is infinite line for tan. 1, 2, this is 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now first I will draw cross x graph. x0, cos 0, 1, 2 into 1, 2. That's why here will come. Now next if you take for example here pi by 4. Angle here minus pi by 4. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2 will come. Root 2 means what? 1.414. If you take 90, cos 90 0, that's why this is a curve, you will get cos x graph. Somewhere it will go like this. Next, tan x graph we need to draw. Tan 0, 0. Tan pi by 4, 1. 1 into 3, 3. So here will come. Next, minus pi by 4 if you take means minus 3. This is a curve you will get like this. But never touches the pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 line. They are asking area between these two curves and y-axis. Y-axis involved only in this region. That's why this is a region we need to find here. We know the lower limit, but we don't know the upper limit. This limit we need to find here. If you know this point, we can do easily. At these two curves which are intersecting here, clearly y is equal to 2 cos x and y is equal to 3 tan x are intersecting. That's why this is y is equal to 3 tan x and this is y is equal to 2 cos x. We need to solve these two equations. This is 1 and 2 we can take. Left side y values only, you can compare right side. 2 cos x equal to 3 tan x. Now 2 cos x equal to 3 sin x by cos x. Cross multiply. 2 cos square x equal to 3 sin x. Here simplify this. 2 into cos square x means what here? 1 minus sin square x is equal to 3 sin x. 2 minus 2 sin square x equal to 3 sin x. Now take all the terms that side. 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Factors are 4 minus 1. 4 sin x minus sin x plus 2. Product you will get minus 4. Sum you will get 3. From first two terms, if you take 2 sin x is common, remaining sin x plus 2 you will get. Minus 1 common, sin x plus 2. Again sin x plus 2 is common from these two terms. Remaining 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0. Here first term must be not equal to 0. Reason? Minus 2 will come. Sin range is minus 1 to plus 1. That's why this is not possible. Second term must be equal to 0. Sin x equal to 1 by 2. Sin 1 by 2 at which angle? Pi by 6. So x value we got clearly. X value is enough. Because if you know x value, directly we can do the region from 0 to pi by 6. This is pi by 6 enough. Upper limit we got. Y value is not required here. Now 0 to pi by 6. What is the upper curve? 2 cos x. Lower curve 3 tan x. That's why for finding required area equal from where to where? 0 to pi by 6. Upper curve is 2 cos x minus lower curve is 3 tan x into dx. 2 integral of cos sin x, integral of tan log mod secant x. From 0 to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Substitute here 2 into sin 30 1 by 2 minus 3 log mod secant 30. How much? 2 by root 3 minus lower limit sin 0 0 minus 3 log mod of secant 0 is 1. Now here 2 to cancel. 1 minus 3 log of 2 by root 3 and log 1 is 0. But still a simplified, we need to check. There still a simplified values. Now to simplify, you will see 1 minus 3, this is log of a by b. We can write log 2 minus log root 3. Now here 1 minus 3 log 2 minus of minus plus 3. Now here log of 3 root 3 we can write 3 power 1 by 2. That power will come front 1 minus 3 log 2. Power will come front means multiply 3 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 log 3. Now which terms is there? In which option? 1 plus 3 by 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 is there in option B. So option B is the correct one. Next, Question number 87. 87, the area of the region in the first quadrant bounded by y-axis y equal to x by 4, comma y equal to 1 plus root x, comma y equal to 2 by root x, and y-axis also involved here. Now in these regions we need to take here graph is important first. Graph we need to draw. While drawing graph, observe clearly how to draw graph. It's easy only, not much difficult. By taking x values, y values, you'll get the points. From that we can draw the graph. Four, 5 like that. You can take more. First I will draw y is equal to x by 4 graph. X by 4 means what? Y is equal to mx, that we can draw easily, no problem. Coming to this one, x value 0, y value what you will get? 1. That's why this is 1 point. X value 1 if you take, 1 plus root 1, 1 only, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is 2. 1 comma 2. If x value take 2, root 2 will come some, root 2 means 2, 1.414, 2.1414 will get some value. Y-axis. So 2 point something you will get, 2.11414. Next if we take 4 for example, y 4 means root 4 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So at 4 we will get 3. This is a curve we have. Exactly what means take like this. This is y is equal to 1 plus root x. Next, 2 by root x. X cannot be 0. It never touches the 0, y-axis. Because on y-axis x value 0, x 0 means curve is not, does not exist or not defined. So I will take x value 1. X value 1 means y value what will get? 2. That means is now touching. X value 2 if you take 2 by root 2, 1.414 root 2 will get 1.414 means here approximately 1.414 here will come. If you take 4, 2 by root 4 means 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Y also cannot be 0. That's why the curve will go like this. Next, coming to this is y is equal to 2 by root x graph. Coming to y is equal to x by 4. X value 0, y value 0. X value 1, 1 by 4, 0.25 will get. Here like this small value. X value if you take 2, 2 means 2 by 4 is 1.5. Like this you will get. Some more. If you take 4, 4 by 4, 1. Here already 1 point is there now. This is a line we will take. Y is equal to x by 4. Now, this point already we know. What is this point? 1 comma 2. Both curves are passing already by plotting the point we identified. Now, this is a region is involved here, y-axis and 3 curves. But this region, I will take A1. From 0 to 1, upper curve is y is equal to 1 plus root x, lower is y is equal to x by 4. And from this region, another region is what? From 1 to 4, upper curve is 2 by root x, lower curve is x by 4. Clear? That's why. Now you want exact area means 0 to 1, this curve will take. Next, 1 to 4, this curve. Lower curve from where to where is there? 0 to 4 is there. That's why directly we can do simple manner. So required area, all are in terms of x only there now. So required area, because lower curve from 0 to up to 4 is there. Complete region. Upper curves we need to add, lower curve we need to subtract. So 0 to 1, this is one curve plus 1 to 4, another upper curve. Lower curve from where to where is there? 0 to 1. This part is we don't want, that's why we need to remove. Now first from 0 to 1, which curve is present here? 1 plus root x into dx. Plus from 1 to 4, another upper curve is what? 2 by root x. Minus, we need to subtract reason. From where to where? 0 to up to 4 is this line. 0 to 4, that line is what? X by 4 dx. Integral of 1 dx x, integral of root x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 0 to 1. 2 by, integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x. 2 root x means total what will get? 4 root x will get. 4 root x value. Integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x. Total will becomes 4 root x from 1 to 4. Integral of x is x square by 2. Already 4 is there now. That's why x square by 8 from 0 to 4. Substitute upper limit 1. This is a reverse 2 by 3. 1 power anything 1 only. For lower limit both are zeros. 4 into root 4 is 2, minus 4 into root 1 is 1, minus 4 square 16 by 8 for lower limit 0. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 8 minus 4, 16 by 8 is 2. Now 8 minus 4, 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 2 by 3. Now 9 plus 2 by 3, that is 11 by 3 is the answer. That is 11 by 3 means option C is the correct one. Next, question number 88. The area bounded by the curves y equal to f of x on the x-axis and the ordinates. Curve is y is equal to f of x. Points 1 and b is given. Is given area is what? B minus 1 into sine of 3b plus 4. That is a value given. Now that means area from 1 to b for the curve f of x dx. This area how much is given? B minus 1 into sine of 3b plus 4. Here we need to find the f of x value from this given condition. Okay, the value wise, now I am not integrating this. We need to differentiate by using Leibniz rule. Leibniz rule already explained. Differentiating with respect to b symbol. Now b I am considering as a variable. Okay, by using Leibniz rule. What Leibniz rule? F of upper limit into derivative of that upper limit. Here with respect to b means b is like a x variable minus f of 1 into 1 derivative is 0. Here uv formula, because in both terms having b terms variable, that's why b minus 1 into u into v dash sine derivative cos 3b plus 4. Again 3b plus 4 derivative is 3 plus sine of 3b plus 4 into b minus 1 derivative is 1. Now this is 0, only f of b will get. First I will take sine term, sine of 3b plus 4 plus 3 into b minus 1 into cos of 3b plus 4. Now replace b by x symbol. Same, f of b we got, f of x also in the same form. What? Sine of 3x plus 4 plus 3 into x minus 1 cos of 3x plus 4 is the required f of x. The term is there in which option? Option C. Next, question number 89. Question number 89. The area bounded by the parabolas y is equal to x plus 1 whole square, y equal to x minus 1 whole square and y equal to 1 by 4. line is given. These two parabolas are towards positive y-axis only, but shifted vertex. The vertex is not at origin. Not vertex, how to find it is very simple. If you put y equal to 0, x value what will get here? Minus 1 will get. Here y 0 means x value plus 1 you will get. Zero, 1, something value, minus 1, minus 2, here also 1. X 0, for the first curve I am drawing, x 0, y what will get? 1. Next, in the same curve, if x value 1 means y value 2 will get the different case. Now on x axis, which value 0, y value 0, for the which curve? For this curve. If you want to draw this curve, I will take minus 1. X value minus 1 plus 1 0, so y value 0. This is a vertex for the first curve. For the second curve, if you take x value 1, y value what you will get? 0. Now for both curves, if x is 0, y value 1 only will come. 0 plus 1 whole square 1. 0 minus 1 whole square 1. That's why both curves having common point is what? 0, 1. At this point both curves will intersect. This is parabola towards positive y-axis only. Positive y-axis. Much. So both curves are intersecting at this point. This is which curve? Y is equal to x plus 1 whole square. Next curve. Vertex is what? 1, 0. Reason? If y is 0, x value 1. Or x value 1, y value 0. Same meaning. Both are towards positive x-axis only there. This is y is equal to x minus 1 whole square. And the area between these two curves and y is equal to 1 by 4 line. So y is equal to 1 by 4 means here 0.25 will get. This is the line y is equal to 1 by 4. This region we need to find here. But the regions are split into two parts. What are the area they are asking in between these values? This is 1 by 4 value. Now we can do with respect to x-axis or with respect to y-axis, no issue. Or if you do with respect to x-axis means, y-axis means what you will get? 1 by 4 to 1 only. But we need to convert this completely in terms of y values. But if you do with respect to x values means what you will get? You will see. This point we don't know. This point we need to find here. Now at this point, which are intersecting? Y is equal to x minus 1 whole square and y is equal to 1 by 4. So put this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now both areas are symmetric only, okay? Put y equal to 1 by 4 in equation 2. Because at this point equation 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4 only intersecting. Y equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 whole square. Y equal to what you will get here? 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 by 4 whole square. Sorry, my x value in the place of y substitute, we get correctly value. Y value we know already, x value we need. Here we substitute 1 by 4 equal to x minus 1 whole square. Sending this side, what will get? Plus or minus 1 by 2 equal to x minus 1. You will get this point also. So x minus 1 or a different value you will get. Another place. X minus 1 equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. X equal to 1 plus or minus 1 by 2. X equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2. So x value 1 by 2 or 3 by 2. Now this point is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4, not this point. This point is 3 by 2 comma 1 by 4. But 3 by 2 comma 1 by 4 is not required in this case. To find complete area, this area is symmetric with this area. That's why from 0 to 1 by 2 I will take. Upper is which one? X minus 1 whole square. Lower is which one? 1 by 4. Okay, na? That's why the required area 2 times of from where to where? 0 to 1 by 2. Upper curve is which one? X minus 1 whole square. Lower also we need to remove because below y is equal to 1 by 4 we don't want the area. That's why I am removing that 1 by 4 into dx. 2 into, this is like x square. X square integration is what? X cube by 3 because this inner function derivative 1 only, that's why. That's why you can apply integral of x power n formula. What will get? X by 4. From where to where? 0 to 1 by 2. I will simplify here. Values. 2 into upper limit 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2 whole cube by 3. 1 by 2 by 4, that is 1 by 8. Next, lower limit 0 minus 1, that is minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 by 3. Second value will get 0 only. 2 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 3s are 24. Minus 1 by 8. Minus of minus plus 1 by 3. Now 24 is the LCM. Take 24 is LCM. Minus 1. Here 3 times will multiply. Here 8 times. 8 minus 4, that is 4. 2 into 4 by 24. 8 by 24. Answer is 1 by 3 square units. That is option D is the correct one. Next, question number 90. The area enclosed by between the curves y is equal to ax square, x equal to ay square, and a is positive, e is 1 square units, then the value of e. This will convert into x square equal to 4ay, that is y divided 1 by a. Here y square equal to x by a. Already we know area between y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay or 4by. Here I will take 4a, that is 1 by a. I will take some a dash mark because same symbol is there. Or simple we can do 4a formula, na? Single formula use. Why different? 1 by a into y square equal to 1 by a into x. Both are in the form of same. Y square equal to 4ax, x square equal to 4ay. Area between curves or parabolas, what? 16a square by 3. But here a value we need to find. Now 4a equal to 1 by a value what? 1 by 4a. This area already given how much? 1. Now 16 into a value 1 by 4a. So 1 by 16a square by 3 equal to 1. Now we have 16 cancel. 1 by 3a square equal to 1. Now 3a square equal to 1. A square equal to 1 by 3. A can be only positive they are given. That's why don't take plus or minus. 1 by root 3 is the answer. That's why option A is the correct one. Next. Question number 91. Here option A. Okay. 91. Let the straight line x equal to b divide the area enclosed by y equal to 1 minus x whole square and y equal to 0 and x equal to 0 into two parts. R1 is from 0 to b, R2 is from b to 1, such that R1 minus R2 is 1 by 4, then b value we need to find here. This is also parabola towards positive y-axis, but shifted vertex here. What is the shifted vertex? We will take here. 0. X value 1, y value 0 will get. That's why clearly the vertex is 1 comma 0. X value 1 means y value 0. If x value 0 means what will get checked. X value 0 also, y value what will get 1 only. This also same. This is a curve we will get like this. Parabola. This is a vertex and this is the intersecting point with respect to y axis. Y is equal to 1 minus x whole square. The area between from finally where to where? R1 is 0 to B, R2 is B to 1. Finally what? Area between 0 to 1 divides by the line. Which line? X equal to B line. Two equal parts. Two parts. One is R1, one is R2. Not equal, different parts only. Region R1. Area R1 from where to where is given? 0 to B. What is the curve? 1 minus x whole square dx. Now 1 minus x whole square dx means here anything positive only will come. Now this you can change like this also. X minus 1 whole square. Because whole square is there, inside negative also will get positive. So here no problem. I am writing this x minus 1 whole square. R1 you will find out. Integral of x minus 1 whole square is what? X minus 1 whole cube by 3. From 0 to B. Upper limit substitute b minus 1 whole cube by 3 minus here 0 means 0 will get 0 minus 1 minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 by 3. Now b minus 1 whole cube plus 1 whole divided by 3. This is which one? R1. Next R2. R2 from where to where? B to 1. B to 1 also same curve is there. What? X minus 1 whole square into dx. What you will get? X minus 1 whole cube by 3. The limits are from 1 to B, sorry, B to 1. Upper limit. 1 minus 1 will get 0. Minus of B minus 1 whole cube by 3. That means R2 we got minus of B minus 1 whole cube by 3. Here they given one condition. What the condition? R1 minus R2 equal to how much is given? 1 by 4. By using this condition we need to find value of B. R1 what is there? B minus 1 whole cube plus 1 by 3. Minus of minus means plus you will get b minus 1 whole cube by 3 equal to 1 by 4. The LCM is same only na. B minus 1 whole cube in total 2 into b minus 1 whole cube by 3 plus 1 by 3 or whole by 3 no problem equal to 1 by 4. Cross multiply with 3. 2 into b minus 1 whole cube plus 1 equal to 3 by 4. Send 1 that side. 2 into b minus 1 whole cube equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 is minus 1 by 4 you will get. Minus 1 by 4 because 3 by 4 minus 1. Now divide with 2. B minus 1 whole cube equal to minus 1 by 8. Now b minus 1 whole cube equal to this I can write minus 1 by 2 whole cube because negative power odd number negative only will come. Now here powers are equal, that's why base we can compare. B minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2, B equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. That is how much you will get? 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 means which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Next question. Question number 92. The area enclosed by the curves y equal to sin x plus cos x. And next curve is given y equal to mod of cos x minus sin x. And they given interval is clearly closed interval 0 to pi by 2. For this modulus nature we need to find here. At where it will breaks? At pi by 4 only na? Because if you take 45 cos 45 0 1 by root 2 sin 45 also 1 by root 2 At 45 only this stationary point of this function. So here from 0 to pi by 4, this is clearly positive only will get. How means simple? Take cos 0, 0, sin 0, 0 only 1 will get positive. That's why from 0 to pi by 4 this is positive, means greater than. From pi by 4 to pi by 2 will get negative. Simple example 90 take. Cos 90 0, sin 90 1, but minus is there, that's why minus 1 will come. This will becomes negative. Negative means what? Minus of cos minus sin x, that is sin x, or we'll keep like that only from pi by 4 to pi by 2. This curve generally will get same manner. And coming to the graph, only 0 to pi by 4, positive side is enough, negative side is not required basically. 0, pi by 4 up to pi by 2, enough. 1, 2. Now first I will take 0. I will draw this curve first. 0 means what? Cos 0 1, no? Sin 0 0. So what? We will get only 1. Next I will take pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means root 2. Root 2 means what? 1.414. Next I will take pi by 2. Sin 90 1, cos 90 0. So here will come. Now 1 means here will come. Only 1, not 0 exactly. Sin 91, cos 90 0. So this is a curve we will get. Next, coming to these two curves, condition wise. 0 to pi by 4, cos minus sin. Now I will take 0 first. Cos 0 1, sin 0 0, that means 1 only. If you take pi by 4, you will get what here? 0, because cos 1 45, sin 45 same, minus minus cancel. Next if you take 90, 90 means what will come? Now only 0 to pi by 4, this curve is present, over. Now what is the curve here present? Cos x minus sin x. Now from 5 by 4 to pi by 2 is a different value, different curve will get. Again pi by 4 means 0 will get. I will take next angle pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. Cos 60 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. So approximately 0 point something will get, minus of minus will get plus. If you take 90, cos 90 0, sin 90 1. So minus of minus plus 1. This is minus of cos x minus sin x. Clear? This is a curve we got here. Two curves breaking. Complete area we want. From 0 to pi by 2, upper curve is single only. This is the curve. What? Sin x plus cos x. But here lower curve from 0 to 90 breaking into two parts. 1 to pi by 4, sorry, 0 to pi by 4, cos minus sin. From pi by 4 to pi by 2, minus of cos minus sin x. Why I am taking minus? Later will understand. So required area. Upper curve directly I am taking from 0 to pi by 2 directly. Which curve? That is sin x plus cos x dx. But while subtracting lower curves, here two parts we need to make. Minus integral 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, which curve is there? Only cos minus sin x. Again minus. From pi by 4 to pi by 2, minus cos of minus sin x into dx. Here 0 to pi by 4, sorry, pi by 2 only, sin x plus cos x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x dx minus of minus plus pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x dx. Now from this integrate sin integration minus cos x, cos integration sin x from 0 to pi by 2 minus of cos integration sin integration minus cos, minus of minus plus cos from 0 to pi by 4 plus cos integration sin minus sin integration plus cos from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now we will substitute upper limit and lower limit. Now we are minus cos 90 0, sin 90 1, minus of minus cos 0 1, sin 0 0, minus of sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, minus of sin 0 0, cos 0 1, plus sin 91 cos 90 0, minus of sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Here 1 minus of minus plus 1, total 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, 2 by root 2 means root 2, that is minus root 2, minus of minus plus 1, again plus 1. Here what? 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is 2 by root 2, that is minus root 2. 2 plus 1, total what? 4 minus 2 root 2. Take 2 common. Not only 2, still we need to simplify. Only 2 take a common first. What will we get? 2 minus root 2. Again that common root 2. So 2 root 2, because this 2 you can write root 2 whole square. That's why 1 root 2 common means 1 more root 2 minus 1. This is the final answer we have. 2 root 2 into root 2 minus 1, that is option B is the correct one. Next 93. Which of the following is not the area of the region bounded by y is equal to e power x, x equal to 0, y equal to e? We'll draw the graph of the curve, you can understand easily. X value 0, y value what will get? E power 0 1, but y cannot be 0, reason is does not equal 0 equal to e power x. E power x cannot be 0, never be 0 first of all. Next if you take 1, means you will get e value is approximately 2.71 something you will get. Here if you take 2 means 2.7 means here this is e value. Here will come curve. At 1 we got e. Two means e square, like that will go. Still increasing. Okay. Now y equal to e. But this region from where to where is there? The area 1 to e is there. But we need to convert this 1 and e, both are y limits only. That's why we need to change this function in terms of log, in terms of y otherwise. Now, already we have formula a power x equal to y means, or b anything, x equal to log b to the base a. Same manner, log y to the base e equal to x will get. Now, two ways we can do condition wise. With respect to x also we can do in this case, two ways. But which of the following means all options we need to verify. Coming to the first option, values wise. For first option how to verify, we will see. I will find with respect to y first. What? From 1 to e, curve what? Log y to the base e dy. We know already integral of log x. What? X into log x minus 1. That's why y into log y minus 1 log a base e only always. From 1 to e. Substitute upper limit. E into log e base e 1, 1 minus 1. Minus of 1 into log 1 value 0 minus 1. This is 0 minus of minus plus 1. That's why integral 1 to e log y dy only there. They cannot finding value also. Only this is one of the area. We need to find value also. Next, if you do with respect to x-axis means what? With respect to x-axis means what you will get here? Condition wise, x-axis means from where to where? 0 to 1. Upper is a y equal to e, lower is a curve in terms of x. That's why from integral 0 to 1, upper is e minus e power x into dx. Integral e is e power x, ex not e power x, e into x constant. The integral of e power x is e power x from 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit, e into 1 e minus e power 1 minus of e into 0 minus e power 0. E minus e both are cancelled. The minus of minus what will get? Plus 1. This is another condition we will get value wise. E, they are not verified also, still not finding value. Now integral of e means what you will get? Value is not required ma. No need to find, simply we are finding here. They are not finding value in third option. Just the integrating first value, second value they keep left like that only. Integral of e means only e x, limits is from 0 to 1. Second value leave like that only. Now here upper limit substitute e into 1 e minus 0 will get, that is e minus integral 0 to 1 e power x into dx. That's why option D is correct, option C also correct. This is D option, C option, but we need to find incorrect. Next, one more. B option we need to verify. What? Area equal to, already we taken what? 1 to e, this term, log y to the base c dy. Property we know, integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. So 1 to e log of 1 plus e minus y base e dy. That's why this also possible. So option B also correct. So which is not possible in any manner. I find the area. What you got? Area 1. Now area finding any method with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis, any axis, area is always same. You will get 1 only. Previous also we got 1 with respect to x means. That's why area is 1, but they given option A e minus 1. That's why option A is incorrect. What they given e minus 1 is incorrect. Say option A we need to mark. B, C, D are the correct options.